dear aspirants. So to start with today's news, NGT set up panel to revisit clearance given to Great Nicobar Island project. See, Great Nicobar is repeatedly in news, so you have to study the map. Please have a look of the map before going to the exams. So this comes under GS2, environmental pollution and degradation. So for prelims, you need to study about this island, which Great Nicobar is the southernmost of Andaman and Nicobar Island at a 7 area of 910 square kilometer. And Andaman Nicobar Island are a cluster of 836 islands in the eastern Bay of Bengal, and the two groups were separated by the 10-degree channel. Remember, it is a 10-degree channel. This is a very important because it have been previously asked. The Andaman Island lie to the north of channel and the Nicobar Island lie to the south of the channel. The 10-degree channel, the north will be Andaman and the south will be Nicobar. Okay. Indra Point on the southern tip of Great Nicobar Island is called India's southernmost point. India's southernmost point is called Indra Point, which is less than 150 km from the northernmost island of the Indonesian archipelago. It covers 103,870 hectares of tropical evergreen forest ecosystem. It is home to very rich ecosystem including 50 species of angiosperms, ferns, gymnosperm, bryophytes. In terms of fauna, there are over 1,800 species, and it has unique ecological characteristics. Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve that provides a wide spectrum of ecosystem comprising tropical wet evergreen forests, mountain ranges reaching height of 642 meter above the sea level, and it is home to two national parks, that is Campbell Bay National Park and Kalathea National Park. So Biosphere Reserve also, there is a Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. The Greenfield city has been proposed, including International Container Transshipment Terminal, Greenfield Airport, Power Plant and Township. So the total of 166.1 km along the island southeastern and southern coast have been identified for the project, and some of the forests have been sanctioned for diversion. The port will be controlled by the Indian Navy, while the airport will be controlled by the military civilian function that will be controlled by the Navy. And roads, public transport, water supply, these have been planned to cater out the tourist. NGT is actually established in 2010, established for effective and expeditious disposal of cases. New Delhi is the principal place of sitting of the tribunal, and Bhopal. Tribunal is not bound by the procedure laid down under the Code of Civil Procedure. It is guided by the principle of natural justice. NGT is mandated to make disposal of application within 6 months. India became the third country in the world to set up a specialized environment tribunal after Australia and New Zealand. Open source seed movement. So this comes under GS3 agriculture. For prelim, Seed Act 1966, Seed Rule 1968 with the Seed 1983. These are the legal thing for regulating the production, distribution and the quality of certain seed for sale. So this grant proprietary ownership of the variety of plant breeders and farmers for their varieties. The duration of production of registered variety is different for different type of crops. For trees it will be 18 years, for other crops it will be 15 years, for other varieties it will be 15 years again. So patent deal with the IPR over devices of industrial application, whereas PPV and FR Act means that confers IPR to plant breeders. Okay, that is the basic difference. Open source seed is a mechanism based on the principle of open source software. It is first open source seed initiative which is launched in Kloppenburg in launched by Kloppenberg in 2012. It asks for pledge that an individual won't restrict others' use of the seed or other derivatives by patent. LIGO-India must contribute to the communities. It need to sustenance from. See, GS to science and technology. LIGO means which is a massive observatory for detecting gravitational waves. So objective is to use gravitational wave observation in astronomical studies. The project operates 3 gravitational wave detectors. 2 are located at Hanford, northwestern US, and 1 in Livingston in Louisiana. The proposed LIGO-India project aimed to move one advanced LIGO detector from Hanford to India. And it is piloted by Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Science and Tech. LIGO-India project will be jointly coordinated and executed by 3 research institutions, that is University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics, Pune, Department of Atomic Energy Organization, and then Raja Ramana Center for Advanced Technology. Thank you. If you have any queries, feel free to contact this number. Have a great day.